Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown Moncton is the commercial and cultural center of Moncton, one of the largest cities in Atlantic Canada. Located along the Petitcodiac River, downtown Moncton contains office towers, restaurants, shops, entertainment venues, hotels, and historic buildings that reflect the city's development over more than 2 centuries. Today, the downtown core serves as a major destination for business, tourism, and public events throughout southeastern New Brunswick. Downtown Moncton experienced major growth during the railway era. In the late 19th century, the Intercolonial Railway established large repair shops in the city, bringing jobs and population growth. Moncton officially became a city in 1890 and quickly developed into one of the most important railway centers in eastern Canada. The railway industry shaped the local economy for generations and helped define the city's identity. Several major landmarks are located in downtown Moncton today. The Avenir Centre, which opened in 2018, became one of the city's most recognizable modern venues and hosts concerts, sporting events, and entertainment throughout the year. Nearby, Riverfront Park follows the Petitcodiac River and offers walking trails and public gathering spaces. City Hall, the Capitol Theatre, and many historic commercial buildings also contribute to the downtown landscape. Main streets in the downtown area include Main Street, Street George Street, and Assumption Boulevard. These roads contain restaurants, offices, hotels, local businesses, and public spaces that attract both residents and visitors. Over recent decades, downtown Moncton has undergone significant redevelopment with new residential projects, public infrastructure improvements, and expanded entertainment districts. Downtown Moncton is also known for festivals and cultural events that take place throughout the year. Concerts, markets, sports events, and seasonal celebrations help bring activity to the city center. The downtown area reflects the bilingual character of southeastern New Brunswick, where both English and French are commonly spoken in businesses, schools, and public life. Moncton has a population of roughly 85,000 people, while the Greater Moncton region, including Dieppe and Riverview, has more than 170,000 residents. The city is often called the Hub City because of its central location and transportation links throughout Atlantic Canada. Highways, railways, and nearby air connections helped Moncton become one of the region's most important commercial centers. The Petitcodiac River remains one of the defining natural features of Moncton. Indigenous Mi'kmaq communities lived throughout the region long before European settlement. The river supported transportation, fishing, and trade for centuries and continues to shape the geography of the city today. One of the best-known natural events connected to the river is the tidal bore, where incoming tides from the Bay of Fundy push a visible wave upstream through Moncton. Moncton experienced major economic changes during the 20th century. The closure of large railway shops in the 1980s created economic challenges, but the city later expanded into transportation, retail, technology, education, and customer service industries. Moncton became one of the fastest-growing urban areas in Atlantic Canada during the late 20th and early 21st centuries. The city is home to several important institutions and attractions. Université de Moncton, founded in 1963, is the largest French-language university in Atlantic Canada and plays a major role in Acadian culture and education. Other attractions include Magnetic Hill, the Moncton Museum, nearby beaches along the Northumberland Strait, and the growing entertainment district surrounding the Avenir Centre. Today, Moncton continues to grow as a center for business, transportation, tourism, and culture in Atlantic Canada. Modern developments stand alongside historic neighborhoods and riverfront landscapes that reflect the city's long history. Visitors to Moncton experience a bilingual city shaped by railways, rivers, Acadian heritage, and ongoing growth throughout southeastern New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!